Alright, this is Joey from AZlongtales, Joe Bro Taco, coming in to do the unboxing for the Duromax 440. Finally, the return of cobalt blue to the SS tin can. This motor is 50 states compliant, EPA and CARB approved, 18 horsepower, 26 foot-pounds of torque, 77 pounds. And we're going to be mating that to a Mudskipper Twister XL. This motor is electric start and runs on 87 octane. This motor is $379 on Amazon. It also comes standard with a 3-year warranty, which is really good for the industry, especially with these types of motors. Very excited to be putting this big bore cobalt blue motor Duromax on the SS tin can, as back in the day we started off with the 7 horsepower Duromax. The Duromax has always been serving us well. Alright, so important tech notes on the Duromax 440, 18 horsepower, electric start. For the throttle linkage, you will have to take this out. You will have to put one of these and one of those in order for you to work it. And the throttle will come in from the side. Very important note, because I couldn't figure out how to do that. Couldn't find any videos on it, but yep, I got the throttle. Alright, so we got throttle level working. Hopefully it stays working. So we did it from the side. We added throttle cable stop on that side and one of these throttle cable clamps. So you got to go from the side. On the Predator 212s, it'll be linear in this direction. But you don't get that option on this. So important tech note, I couldn't find this anywhere on the web, but essentially it was pretty easy. Oh, she's torquing.